After you guys remove the tire, remove the caliper, 13 millimeters, the caliper bolts. I have my caliper hanger right here. I'm going to use my impact to remove the exo nut, but if you guys don't have one, you guys can use a screwdriver before you guys remove the caliper bracket. Do like that and use a long ratchet. 21 millimeter for the caliper bracket bolt. I'm gonna hit between the studs. I'm going to remove the backing plate right here, since it's really easy. It's only three 10 millimeter bolts. 2 bolts on this side and 2 on the other side. They're gonna be 15 millimeter bolts, so total is 4. I have my create ratchet, small extension, and 15 millimeter socket. Now I'm gonna turn the steering knuckle that way, so I have better access to the other 2 bolts. I'm gonna put the steering knuckle straight, and I'm going to be hitting from the sides little by little. Hit couple times at a time, you guys get it out.